Morning class, my name is Mathatilano. As you can see, I have it here on the board. Today, before we start our class, can everyone please stand up right next to your desk? We're going to do a little exercise. So we're going to stretch our body because it's early in the morning, so we need to get ready for this subject. Everyone, hands together. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Shake it off and let's have a seat. Okay, everyone please take off your math notebook so we can start on our subject and y'all can take some notes. First of all, can anyone tell me what is a decimal? A decimal is a point, a small dot, like this one here, that is used to separate the whole number part from the fractional part of a number. Let's have an example. 25 decimal 0.9. Okay, so if we're going to do addition, we're going to add with decimals. We need to line up all the decimals before we start working on the math problems. So like I have an example here. 36.60. You're going to add the @ sign, the plus sign, 6.21. Okay, we see that our decimals are lined up, so we bring the decimal to the bottom where we're going to have the answer. And then we'll do the addition, the addition. So 1 plus 0, it's going to be 1. 6 plus 2, that's going to be 8. So that's going to be 8. We already have our decimal. Okay, since we don't have more than tens, so it's an 8. Then we're going to add the 6 plus the 6, which is going to be 12. So you bring the 2 here, then 1 goes to the top. So now 3 and 1, that makes 4. 442.81. That is our answer, which you're going to end up, if we delete the arrow, you can see it here. Bring the dot right on the bottom because we cannot have it on top. So we bring it right at the bottom. And there you go. You have the answer, 42.81. Why don't we do some other problems? Question number 2. Let's add a 56.3 plus a 24.2. So we're going to do the addition because we have the plus sign here. And then we add, but before we add the numbers, we got to do what? Bring the decimal down. There you go. Nice job. 3 plus 2, that makes a 5. Then we go to the following number because we already have our decimal down here. So the next number, we add them together. 6 plus 4, which is going to be 0. 1 to the power. So 2 plus 5 makes 7 plus 1. That's going to be 8. So there you go. You have the answer. 80.5. That is our answer right here. So whenever you have a decimal, what is it that you need to do? You got to line them up like this one and bring it down to get your answer. Okay, any other questions? Does anyone have questions or has any doubts about how to do the decimals? We're going to be doing other examples, but I'm going to write the questions here so y'all can work on them in your desk, and then we're going to go over with the questions and answers that we come up together. Okay?